source woodworking machine for you at the lowest possible price.
I have my own woodworking machinery factory in China and 16 years of experience in this industry. Mainly produce computerized panel saws.
I'm very familiar with woodworking machinery. I can help you source or customize various woodworking machinery. If you want to start a woodworking machinery business, sure to follow me.